Hi, I'm Gautam Raghav from Informatica GCS, and in this video, we will be going through the enhancements to the Databricks Catalog Source delivered through the CDGC November release. To start with, users would now be able to scan metadata from Databricks using a SQL warehouse as an alternative to the usage of all-purpose cluster. So prior to the November release, CDGC required a Databricks all-purpose cluster to be set up in order to scan metadata from Databricks. So going forward, customers can use a SQL warehouse instead to scan metadata from Databricks. On the profiling side of Databricks, we now support Databricks Unity Catalog profiling in CDGC in addition to the default catalog profiling, which would be the Hive Metastore. Prior to the November release, sampling queries were not available to limit the data that you would need to profile from the Databricks source. So from the November release, custom sampling queries can now be provided to sample appropriate data for Databricks profiling. The queries can either contain limit or table sample clauses. Few examples of the queries are shown here using table sample and limit clauses. We can now have a look at it from the CDGC UI perspective. So while configuring the profiling in CDGC, you will now have an option to provide the custom queries. So prior to the November release, the only sampling type available here was all rows. And from the November release onwards, you will have the option of custom query. Once you select this option, you can provide the sampling query in this field and run the profiling job. Once the profiling job is completed successfully, you would be now seeing the results and the profiling sample space here as well. So for instance, if I open any column here with the profiling results, it says the value frequency as total as 10 rows, which was how the table sample was provided. For further reference, you could refer to the official Databricks Catalog Source configuration document and the November release notes provided here. We would love to hear more from you. Please reach us at supportvideos@informatica.com or leave us a tweet at twitter.com/infosupport. Thank you.